You know, one of the things that keeps me up at night is how hard it is to find tech accessories that are functional, durable, and equally super cute. The tech accessories market is saturated with linear, subpar accessories, and if you want to get the good ones, not only will you probably pay a pretty penny, you'll have like 3 colors to choose from: black, blue, and gray. While I support the color coordination, a girl could use some real color. Hey, I'm Janae, and I love creating cute aesthetics with my tech accessories. So today, we're going to be transforming my iPad accessories from business blackout to pink paradise. But before we start the pink out process, let's start with the screen protection. For a couple months, I've been contemplating whether or not to get a matte screen protector. I really like the protection that the glass provides, but I don't like the sensation of writing on it. It feels like I'm tapping at a window. In the end, I decided to go ahead and purchase a matte screen protector. My original idea was to put it on top of the glass protector and have the best of both worlds, but actually getting the matte protector to adhere to the top of the glass protector without any issues was nearly impossible, so I just took the glass off. So far, I don't regret it. The matte protector is a joy to write on. It's not the same as writing on physical paper, but it's close enough to satisfy me. I do live in fear every day of dropping it face down, but I feel like my protective outer case has me covered in the drop protection. Speaking of protective cases, I've been using this Zugu Muse case for a few months and I really like it. It has a really thin frame and it isn't too bulky. It's easy to clean and it has 10 different viewing angles, most importantly one that's good for drawing and writing, but I'm tired of the black color. It's super boring. I will say that the brown version that they now offer for the 2020 iPad Pro is super cute, but I found a cheaper option with similar capabilities, in pink. This MoKo case is very similar to the Zugu case. The Zugu case does have 3 more viewing angles than the MoKo case, although I'm not sure if that's such a bad thing because the MoKo still has a usable writing angle. The MoKo also has a strap to hold the pen and the screen cover in place, which I like because even though the face cover on the Zugu case is magnetic, there were a few times where the cover would fall if it were not placed correctly on the screen. The MoKo case has a raised bumper that allows the Apple Pencil to physically touch the iPad, so I can charge my pencil with the sleeve on and protect it at the same time, not having to worry about if it will fall off. As far as writing tools go, the Apple Pencil is the best accessory for the iPad, especially for artists or anyone who does a lot of writing. But I always feel like at some point I'm going to break it because I used to accidentally break pencils all the time. Due to its shape, I don't think there's anything that can really be done to super protect it, but I opted to get a protective sleeve anyway. I got this sleeve from Amazon and not only does it semi-protect the pencil, but it makes the Apple Pencil more comfortable to use, making the writing experience better as well. And of course, it also supports charging, so you won't need to take it off to charge. With the Zugu case, I wasn't able to charge the Apple Pencil with the sleeve on. The MoKo case has no barrier between the pencil and the charging magnet, not including the pencil sleeve of course, so I can charge and protect it at the same time. If this video is already pink enough for you, be sure to hit that like button. Also, what color would you like to see your favorite accessories in? Let me know in the comments. To create a decent mobile workspace for myself, I've been using the Logitech K380 keyboard and the Logitech Pebble i345 mouse with my iPad Pro. I got them in this grayish black to match the aesthetic of my Zugu case, but I really wanted the pink set. When I purchased the devices in black, the rose colorway was sold out everywhere, but I finally caught them in stock at Best Buy about 3 months later. I was able to get the rose keyboard in the Mac exclusive variant, which has Mac function and command keys, making it easier to use with my MacBook as well. I upgraded my mouse from the Pebble i345 to the M350, which looks and works exactly the same. But the i345 is specifically meant for iPad and only connects by Bluetooth. The M350 has Bluetooth connection and can connect through a USB receiver, allowing me to connect to both my iPad and MacBook while using both devices. For my travel case, I wanted something slim to carry my iPad Pro and all my accessories. I've been using this Tomtoc carrying case, and it's like the perfect medium between functional and stylish, if black is your favorite color. To replace this, I opted for this Inateck 13-inch laptop case. And I opted for this for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch because the case makes the iPad slightly bulkier, and I could use some extra room for the keyboard. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you want to see more content about tech accessories and the iPad Pro, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye!